so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna make a special for you. It's strawberry banana with oatmeal. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for following. Thank you so much for your support. Okay guys, and remember to follow me on all social at Anbooth. Okay, thank you so much. So let's dive right into this banana strawberry oat smoothie with oatmeal. Okay, I have here some banana, frozen banana, ripe banana. I have some strawberry with some baby carrots in it. I have some milk. I have some oatmeal. Yeah. And I have my yogurt, I have some cinnamon, and I have some agave for a little sweetness. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. So these are carrot, the baby cut carrot. Yeah, sometimes it's good to add some fruit, some vegetable to your smoothie. So carrot is good. Yeah, so the strawberry and the carrot also frozen, the banana frozen. That's something, guys. For the oats, you can add according to how much oats you want in your smoothie. And remember, the oats make it thicker. Yeah. I'm gonna add some milk. I'm gonna add roughly a cup of milk. Yeah. That's roughly a cup of milk. I'm gonna add my yogurt. Sweetener. It's like caramel, you know? I need to get some caramel. Cinnamon. Make it taste good. Pepper and sugar. Pure smoothie icy drink, mixed milkshake. So I'm going to do smoothie and there I have it, guys, all done. So I'm gonna glass this. Whew, so cold. I'm gonna glass this, guys. I'm gonna glass this now for you. Ooh. Wow, guys, wow. It looks so delicious. So I'm gonna taste it for you. So good, guys. My power pack strawberry banana oatmeal smoothie. So delicious, so good, so delicious. I give it a little sweetness, so yes, so I can join a little more cinnamon on top. Wow. Can put some more. Just look at that, guys. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. So good. It is so good, guys. So tasty, so good. So go ahead and try this smoothie, guys. You will love it. It's my strawberry banana with some oatmeal power pack smoothie. Okay, this is the real smoothie. So if you want a breakfast smoothie, go ahead and try it. You will love it. It's filling because the oats, you know, oats is good, and it's whole grain oats, so it's very healthy. Go ahead and try it, guys. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Okay, so it consists of banana, strawberry, carrot, oatmeal, yogurt, milk, some cinnamon, again, and whoops, it's ready. So go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for liking and sharing. Okay, so until next time, see you. Bye.